Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show how to make a private server in Roblox. So let's start. So first you have to check what is the private service, and then how to make a private server. You have to open the Roblox game you want to play, and then just scroll down to the servers section at the bottom of the page. If you see a private servers option, the feature is available. So step 2, purchase a private service. Click and create private server, enter a name for your server, read the subscription agreement, and click to buy now. Now you have to go to the step number 3, is after purchasing, click on 3 dots next to your server, select configure, adjust settings, server name, name that it's need, access allow friends, specific players or everyone, invite link, generate story link, subscription, and toggle auto renewal. And step 4, invite friends and play. Share the server link manually, invite friends, and click the play to launch your private game. So that is how you can make a private server and how you can play with other friends there. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.